Good day to all of you. Today we shall discuss on lexical issues in Java. So lexical elements here, they are atomic elements, smallest elements. Lexical means a character or group of characters which we can use legally in writing the source code in a programming language. Which elements are those? What are the issues involved in that? That is what the meaning of lexical issues in Java. That is describing atomic elements which are formed using characters or group of characters which are legally used in any programming language for writing the source code. So Java program is collection of, so which all elements are allowed here? White spaces, identifiers, comments, literals, operators, separators, keyword. So what are white spaces? So whenever we press spacebar key on the keyboard, so space is printed. Tab means tab key, when we press 5 spaces are printed. New line means it moves the cursor to next line. So these three belong to white spaces. Next, identifiers means the names given to classes, methods or any variables. So to give the name we may use uppercase or lowercase letters or numbers or underscore or dollar sign. Okay. So the next element is literals. So when we want to give the value of data as 100, then we type 100. This group of characters, it will give value 100 only, that is fixed, and it will be carrying always the value 100 only, so that is constant, that value. Such group of characters, they are called as literals. So here float value is given, here 100 value is given, here character value, here string value. Okay, these are literals. A constant value in Java is created by using literal representation of it. For example, here are some literals. So left to right, the first literal specifies an integer. So this one is an integer. Next is floating point number. Third is a character constant. Means it is always x only. Character constant. The last is string. A literal can be used anywhere a value of its type is allowed. Next, comments. There are three types of comments in Java. Single line comment, then multi-line comment, third one documentation comment. So single line comment means two slash are used. Next, whatever we write, that will be comment. So if you want to give any message, not an instruction, then we put this two slashes, we type this and we write the comment or message. So when anybody opens our program, so they can understand by this comment or message what the user wants to tell about the program. Okay, it is not an instruction. This is used for writing only single line. So multi-line comment means we use slash, then star slash. Between how many lines we write, all those will be comments. That is called as multi-line. This is used for single line comment. These are used for multi-line comment. Then the third one is this slash star slash. Here only one was given. Here two stars will be given. That is the difference. Okay. So that is called as documentation comment. So what does it mean? Let us see with an example execution. Okay. So NetBeans IDE I am using. BCS406 project is created. So the name of program is BCS406, same as project, only it is taking. That IDE will automatically take and it will give main function. And this I have typed that system.out.println in bracket within quotes I like Java. Okay, that is what is written here. Next, documentation comment means here slash star and star slash, between that comments will be written and those comments will be called as documentation comments. So here what I have written, at author and my name. So at author is the tag, and my name what I have typed, that is the comment. It is written between slash star star and star slash, that is this. Okay, and our tag is here, comment is here. Now we have to execute this. In this program only one statement, printing I like Java on the monitor, and this documentation comment. What does it do? Let us see. Next we have to right click on our project, then go to properties, and then this window appears. In this we'll have to click on documenting and check this include private and package private members, and here at author, that checkbox also must be checked. After that click on OK. Next run. So this run option we should take with generate Java doc, means click on run button and click on generate Java doc. Then the program is executed. So then to see the documentation comment output, here path what is displayed or highlighted, that we have to copy. So in this path the last one here is index. So index.html. So in C folder, user subfolder, and this subfolder, in this path we should go on clicking, or you paste this in the browser window. Then we go to index.html file that is generated because of our documentation comment. So here we can see index.html file. We have to double click on that. Then this HTML file appears. So here on this project BCS406, what was there, we have to double click. When we double click, so system name is printed here. Okay, so this is what is the effect of documentation comment. It creates an HTML file when we run the program, and depending on what tags we have used, that message it will be printing on the HTML page. So this page is utilized to describe by giving different tags whatever class software designer designs. So in the HTML page means everybody on the web, they will be able to see and get to know what this software developer or designer has created a class. Then if they wish to use this, they can get the class from the software developer and use that. Okay, so that is what is the use of documentation comment. So between slash star star, then star slash, it is written. So documentation comment is written between slash star star and star slash. It will create an HTML file, so which will create index.html page. So on that page with the tags whatever the developer or programmer has mentioned within these slash star star and star slash, though that information will be displayed. It is for the viewer on the web. Okay, so next separator. Separator here means there are few symbols in Java that are used as separators. The most commonly used are semicolon, some other are brackets, flower brackets, square brackets, comma, or period means dot. Okay, so these are some of the separators which we listed, their names and the purpose for which they are used. So this parenthesis, it is used to contain list of parameters in the method definition and invocation. Also used for defining precedence in expressions, containing expressions in control statements and surrounding cast types. Okay, then braces or flower brackets. used to contain the value of automatically initialized arrays. So while declaring to initialize also, these flower brackets are used. What is initialization? Giving the value or assigning the value at the time of declaration is called as initialization. During array initialization, these flower brackets are used. That is, to assign the different values to the array elements at the time of declaration only, these flower brackets are used. These square brackets, these are called as braces, that is flower brackets. These square brackets, they are called as brackets. They are used to declare array types, also used when dereferencing array values. Dereferencing array values means a of 0, a of 1 to access each index position element in an array. Okay. Then semicolon. This terminates statements, means whenever we write one instruction, at the end of instruction we'll write semicolon indicating that one instruction is over. So that is what is terminating the statement. And then comma separates consecutive identifiers, means int space a comma b comma c semicolon we write. Semicolon is the end of declaration statement, but a comma b comma c means that is separator of identifiers, where a b c are the identifiers. Next period, that is dot, used to separate package names from sub packages. So sometimes we will be using some functions. Math.abs means belonging to math class, one function. So any function belonging to any class, when we are using, we separate with the dot. Likewise with the package also, when we are using a class from a package, then which package dot, that is the separator, then we mention class name. Similarly, which class name dot function name. Okay, so the dot or period is used as a separator. Then this colon colon, that is used to create a method or constructor reference. So one more we had taken here, that is keywords. So this table shows the keywords that are used in Java language. Okay. In addition to this, true, false, null, another three keywords are also available. So they are the reserved words. They are meant for some operation when we write some instruction in the source code or the program. These should not be used as variables, means identifiers. When we name class, method or identifiers or variables, these reserved words must not be used. Okay, so that completes the discussion of lexical issues in Java. I hope you understood. Thank you.